Hello everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to use Superlook.ai, an amazing visual analytics tool. Superlook is a cloud-based platform that allows you to easily analyze and gain insights from your data through interactive visualizations. To get started, I'll first head over to the Superlook website at Superlook.ai and click on the Try It Free button to create a new account. After entering my email and setting a password, I'm taken to the Superlook dashboard. On the dashboard, I can see all the data sources I've connected to Superlook. To add a new data source, I'll click the Add Data button in the top right. Superlook supports a wide range of data sources including databases, cloud storage, and SaaS apps, so I'll choose the one that fits my needs. Once my data is connected, I can start building visualizations. From the left sidebar, I'll click on the Explore section, which will take me to the Visual Analysis tool. Here, I can drag and drop the data fields I want to analyze onto the canvas to create charts, graphs, and other visualizations. Superlook's intuitive interface makes it easy to customize these visualizations. I can change the chart type, adjust the colors and fonts, add annotations, and more, all with just a few clicks. As I explore my data, I can save my favorite visualizations to dashboards for quick access. One of the things I really love about Superlook is its collaboration features. I can invite my team to view and interact with the dashboards, and we can leave comments and annotations to share insights. Superlook also has powerful sharing and export options, so I can easily embed visualizations on my website or share them as PDF reports. Overall, Superlook has been an invaluable tool for quickly analyzing my data and uncovering meaningful insights. I highly recommend giving it a try if you're looking for an easy-to-use visual analytics platform. That's it for this walkthrough. Let me know if you have any other questions.